Here's another mistake I see people make regularly, but you'll never see a professional doing it. And that will be pouring over an existing concrete stairway to make it wider or to somehow fix problems that you have with it. And the reason for that is because there's a very good chance it's going to crack around the perimeter of the existing stairway. And I realize it seems like a massive time saver because you get to skip the demolition and save money on your concrete. And I'm not about to suggest it will never work, but I've seen problems from people pouring concrete over a variety of different things, including what I'm assuming to be a concrete pad here so that they could build a patio and eventually enclose that patio to become a room addition. And you can see right here where it's cracked around the perimeter of that landing. And my guess is that there's less than 2 inches of concrete between the top of the new concrete slab and the existing small concrete landing that was located outside their doorway. So what's the right way to do it? You're going to have to bite the bullet and completely remove the old concrete stairs. So grab a sledgehammer or rent a jackhammer and tear those old steps all the way down to the dirt so that you can build yourself a brand new concrete stairway. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.